Hey guys, in this video, I will show you if you can get the ExpressVPN activation code for free. All right, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and search for ExpressVPN. Click on the first link to go to the official ExpressVPN website. Once there, select My Account and log in using your credentials. Keep in mind that you need an active subscription to access the activation code. It means that you cannot get the activation code for free. After logging in, you will find your activation code on the dashboard. Copy this code and use it to activate ExpressVPN on your device. If you are using the Keys Chrome extension, you can also store the activation code there for easy access. To complete the activation, download and install the ExpressVPN app on Windows, Mac, or Linux. During the setup process, paste the activation code when prompted. This will link your device to your account and allow you to start using ExpressVPN immediately. So that's basically all about the ExpressVPN activation code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.